Just want to make sure we don't overfill it. Next group, are you with them?
We'll be back as soon as we pick up. It'll take us about 2 minutes to close it.
Watch your step, Fred.
Oh, hi there. Watch this down here. Oh, I see. Thank you. Watch your step.
Mommy! Mommy!
Mommy! Over here! Come and get us!
Parker, stay right here. Other people are coming on.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
We'll have to look up that one this week. We have to stay on our bottom. No, you have to stay on your bottom, Parker. If you don't sit down,
Look at that one.
The little one could be on your lap too. All right, folks, good morning and welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is Chad. I'll be your conductor on this line. Up ahead we have Josh. He is going to be your motorist. We're going to be providing local service between Buena Vista Street and Hollywood Land. We're going to have a stop along the way at Carthay Circle.
if you want to see out the window, you sit on the back.
Now, trolley systems like this one first began operation in 1901 as the Pacific Electric Railway at its peak covered over 1,000 miles on over 70 lines, carrying over 65 million passengers per year. Comfort, speed, but above all, safety. We are riding aboard the 623 car. 600 series was manufactured by J.G. Brill Company and put into service in 1922. We're going to be approaching our first stop on this line, Carthay Circle. From here, you can connect via to anywhere in the park, cars, land, San Francisco. It's our pier, there's a peak, please as you remain seated to the stop and those doors are open. Our next stop is Hollywood.
No, we're not getting out, but you can...
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Alright, folks, we're going to be continuing on. Over on the right-hand side of the trolley is going to be Carthay Circle Restaurant and Lounge, modeled after the famed Carthay Theater in Los Angeles. Was home to the premiere Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs in 1937. Coming up on the left-hand side is going to be our popcorn cart. There's no ordinary popcorn cart. It is the only one in the park that serves fresh pop caramel corn. It's delicious.
Okay, this guy is walking, keeping up.
Alrighty, folks. We're going to be leaving Carthay Circle and entering the glamorous world of Hollywood Land. Hollywoodland is home to one of California's most famous exports, motion pictures. And one of the reasons Southern California has become the capital of the movie industry is because of our favorable year-round weather. Today's a little chilly, but it's a good one to bet. Coming up on the left-hand side is going to be Mickey's Philhar Magic. It is a 15-minute 3D show featuring Mickey, Minnie, Donald. It's mostly Donald, though, being very mischievous. If you haven't seen it, highly recommend it. Alright, we are approaching our next stop on this line. We just ask that you remain seated so we have a full train stop. And those doors are open. We have one final stop just around the corner.
What do you see?
How does it turn around?
So we just go to the end and we're not getting off. We're not getting out the window.
Oh! Am I supposed to get off here? Okay.
There's Mommy! Look at the window!
Are they going to take the trash?
Look at your
For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
But I found out too late. I was already there.
Look at Mommy.
I
We're gonna get Mommy?
Alright, folks. We're going to be continuing on. Over on the left-hand corner of the trolley is going to be Hollywood Studios. Back there we have Monsters Inc., Mike and Sully to the rescue. Fun for kids of all ages. There is no high
Stay on, no. Stay on, Mom.
Buddy, make sure you're sitting all the way down for me, okay? Alright, we are approaching our final stop on this line. We just ask you to remain seated to the full train stop. And those doors have opened. We're headed back to the main entrance.
was here.
Okay. There you go. We're good.
For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Alrighty, everyone. Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. We are going on a one-way trip all the way to the main entrance of Disney California Adventure. Over in the Hollywood backlot area is where guests can visit the attraction Monsters Inc. Mike and Sully to the rescue. Hop aboard us the moving taxi cab through the city of Monstropolis and follow Mike and Sully as they try to get Little Boo home safely. Make sure the little one is sitting down on his bottom, please. We do need him on a lap as well. He's got to stay on a lap, otherwise we're over our capacity. Yeah, because otherwise we're over our capacity. Because our capacity is only 20 people on the seats. Thank you. So once again, folks, hop aboard us the moving taxi cab to the city of Monstropolis and follow Mike and Sully as they try to get Little Boo home safely. Now, Monsters Inc. actually has the distinction of being the first Pixar-themed dark ride to open in any Disney theme park, opening 19 years ago, back in January of 2006. Heavily inspired by the film Monsters Inc. that came out back in the year 2001. One of the animators that actually contributed to that film is Disney legend Floyd Norman. And here on the right-hand side of the trolley in this window, you'll actually be able to see some of his work that he has contributed to the Walt Disney Company through the years. He's the first black animator to ever be employed by the Walt Disney Company. And his work dates all the way back to the 1950s. He was originally employed by the company all the way back in 1956. The first film he worked on was actually Sleeping Beauty, which came out in 1959. Other films he worked on include The Jungle Book, The Sword and the Stone, Robin Hood, Mulan, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, and of course the aforementioned Monsters Inc. as well. For all his contributions to the Walt Disney Company, he became a Disney legend in 2007. Make sure you keep your arm inside of the trolley, please. Thank you. And the little one needs to be sitting down on his bottom, please. Thank you. You're good. Alrighty, folks, we've now made our way into the downtown district of Carthay Circle. This is normally where you can see a lot of our local celebrities. Over here on the left-hand side of the trolley, as we make our way past our Carthay Circle stop, is going to be Miss Minnie Mouse taking photos with all her adoring fans. Mickey's probably around here somewhere as well. I just saw Donald making his way out. Over here to the left-hand side of the trolley, we have the Fiddler, Fifer, and Practical Cafe. That is home to the world's first Starbucks inside of a Disney resort. That Starbucks opened on June 15th in 2012. That was the day of the grand reopening of Disney California Adventure, with the main entrance made to resemble the 1920s era of Los Angeles. And of course, the trolley you're riding aboard was also put into operation on that date as well. This trolley is actually a 1/3 scale replica of the mode of transportation. For many folks, back during that time period, they actually began operation fast. So as I mentioned, this trolley is a 1/3 scale replica of the old mode of transportation, which actually began operation in the year 1901, which was also the same year that Walt Disney was born. Now, this particular style of trolley that you're riding on was actually put into operation in the early 1920s, and the number 23 on the trolley stands for the year 1923, which of course was when Walt Disney arrived here in Los Angeles to begin his own California adventure. We've now arrived at our final stop, everyone. Please remain seated until the trolley comes to a full and complete stop. The lights have turned on and the doors have opened. Alrighty, everyone, please watch your side.